Exploring educational tools offered by Cresen Ltd for Forex beginners. Hey everyone, today I want to share my experience with a Forex broker that I recently started using, Cresen Ltd. As a hobbyist trader, I've been exploring various brokers, and Cresen Ltd really caught my attention for several reasons. So, here's my honest Cresen Ltd opinion from the perspective of someone who's not a pro, but definitely passionate about Forex trading. First off, Cresen Ltd is a licensed broker, license number 2549003E390Q9PYZIA96. Regulated by an authority linked to Bloomberg Finance LP that gave me some initial confidence, knowing they operate under a legit regulatory framework. When it comes to Forex brokers, trust is key, so that's a solid start. One of the things I immediately liked about Cresen Ltd is how smooth and intuitive their trading platform is. For someone like me who's still learning the ropes, having a platform that doesn't feel overwhelming makes all the difference. It's user-friendly, visually clean, and surprisingly powerful. Even though it's web-based only, so no mobile app yet, it doesn't feel limiting during regular market hours. The platform sometimes experiences a bit of lag when volatility spikes, but overall, order execution is pretty fast, and I rarely face delays. Speaking of orders, Cresen Ltd offers high liquidity, which means my trades get filled quickly without annoying slippage. That's super important when you want to jump on market movements swiftly. Plus, the broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, currencies, metals, indices, even cryptocurrencies. For a hobbyist like me, it's great to have so many options without hopping between brokers. Another point worth mentioning in my Cresen Ltd review is their approach to fees. They keep commissions and spreads quite low, which is a huge plus because I don't want my profits eaten away by hidden charges. The transparency here is refreshing. There are no sneaky fees hiding around the corner, which makes the whole trading experience less stressful. Cresen Ltd also supports automated trading with expert advisors or robots. While I haven't fully dived into automated trading myself yet, knowing this option exists gives me room to experiment later on. And for those who like to follow more experienced traders, the copy trading feature is a nice touch. It's reassuring when you're just starting out to have a way to learn by watching and mimicking successful strategies. On the safety front, I appreciate their negative balance protection. It's comforting to know that I won't suddenly lose more than what I deposit, especially in this volatile market. Plus, their data security measures seem reliable, so I don't worry much about my account getting compromised. Now, no broker is perfect, and Cresen Ltd has a few quirks. The website interface can be a bit tricky to navigate at first, especially if you want to find certain account details or educational materials. Also, their customer support isn't the fastest outside regular business hours, so if you have questions late at night or on weekends, it might take a while to get help. Another small downside is the limited educational content available. There's some, but I expected more in-depth tutorials for beginners. One thing I noticed is that Cresen Ltd doesn't offer a demo account. For new traders, that could be a hurdle since practicing without risking real money is pretty important. Hopefully, they'll add that feature in the future. Also, their leverage options tend to be on the conservative side for more cautious clients, which can be good or bad depending on your style. Overall, my Cresen Ltd Forex experience has been quite positive. The fast withdrawals and easy deposits mean I can manage my funds without fuss, and the platform's reliability during normal trading hours makes it enjoyable to stay engaged. If you're looking for a broker that balances security, reasonable costs, and a decent variety of instruments, Cresen Ltd is definitely worth checking out. To sum up, if you search online for Cresen Ltd review or Cresen Ltd opinion, you'll find mixed thoughts, but from my personal journey, it's a solid choice, especially for hobby traders who want to step into Forex without overwhelming complexity. Just keep in mind some of the current limitations like the lack of a mobile app and fewer educational tools. If you want to explore more about them, head over to cresenltd.com. Whether you're curious about the Cresen Ltd broker itself or looking for details on their services, their site has plenty of info. Just be sure to weigh the pros and cons for your own trading style. Anyway, that's my 2 cents on Cresen Ltd Forex. Hope it helps you decide if this broker might be your next trading partner. Happy trading, and remember, every broker has its ups and downs, but Cresen Ltd definitely has some interesting advantages that make it stand out. Catch you in the markets.